Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to delete an approval process in Salesforce. If you've created an approval process that's no longer needed or you want to replace it with a better workflow, removing it from your Salesforce org is a straightforward task. Let's walk through the steps to get this done. First, look towards the top right corner of your Salesforce interface and click on the gear icon. This icon is your gateway to all administrative settings and configurations within Salesforce, so it's where we'll begin this process. From the drop-down menu that appears, select Setup. This will take you to the Setup homepage, which is the central hub for managing all aspects of your Salesforce environment. Here you have access to everything from user management to automation tools, including the approval processes we're working with today. Now in the quick find box on the left side of the screen, type in Approval Processes. This search function is incredibly useful for navigating Salesforce's extensive setup options quickly. As you type, you'll see relevant results appear below. Click on Approval Processes from the search results. This will bring you to the page where you can view and manage all approval processes across different objects in your Salesforce org. Next, you'll need to select the object that contains the approval process you want to delete. Look for the drop-down menu labeled Manage Approval Processes for and click on it. From this list, choose the specific object, such as opportunities, accounts, or any custom object where your approval process is configured. This step is important because approval processes are tied to specific objects and you need to navigate to the correct one. Once you've selected your object, you'll see a list of all approval processes associated with it. Find the approval process you want to remove and click on its name. This will open the details page for that particular approval process where you can review its settings and configurations. Finally, look for the Delete button, which is typically located near the top of the page or within the Action menu. Click Delete and Salesforce will prompt you to confirm your decision. This confirmation step is crucial because once you delete an approval process, it cannot be undone. Any records currently in that approval process will be affected, so make sure you're certain before proceeding. Go ahead and confirm the deletion. And that's it. You've successfully removed the approval process from your Salesforce org. This cleanup keeps your system organized and ensures that only active, relevant workflows are in place. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.